in the computer take performing one or more tasks. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you, sir.
The types of hardware. Components of PC hardware. We have monitor, motherboard, CPU, mouse, keyboard, power supply, primary storage, expansion cards, secondary storage, and optical disk drive. Okay, central processing unit, CPU, is the most important unit in the computer. It is the most important unit in the computer. It is located in the motherboard. It is similar to a human's brain. It is similar to a human's brain, performing all arithmetic controlling and the activities of all other components of the computer. Its speed is measured by GHz. Motherboard. It is an electronic board containing most of the important units and holes that allows communication between many of the crucial electronic components of the system. Read-only memory, ROM. It is located on the motherboard. It is a non-volatile memory that is used to store important information, which is used to operate the system. And then random access memory, RAM. Random access memory allows saving data and programs that the user can open and access temporarily. Keeps active until power is down. Difference between RAM and ROM. RAM, which stands for random access memory, and ROM, which stands for read-only memory, and are present in the computer. RAM is a volatile memory that temporarily stores the information you're working on. And ROM is a non-volatile memory that permanently stores the information. Memory measurement units. Yeah.
Miss, what would happen if there was no hardware?
It wouldn't work. Okay, 1 bit is equal to a binary digit. Like 8 bit is 1 byte. 1024 bytes is 1 kilobyte, and 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabyte, and so on. And like gigabyte is the